TRIAC. The expansion for TRIAC is triode AC switch. It is a bidirectional thyristor with three terminals. Normally SCR is unidirectional, but TRIAC is bidirectional. The operation of TRIAC is equal to two SCRs connected in anti-parallel. The three terminals are MT1 main terminal 1, MT2 main terminal 2 and the gate. Here it is mentioned as MT1 and MT2 because of the bidirectional conductivity. This is the structure of TRIAC and this is the cross-sectional view of TRIAC. Here you can note that the gate is near the MT1, and from this picture you can notice that the gate is connected to N3 and P2, and then MT1 is connected to P2 and N2. Then MT2 is connected to P1 and N4. Characteristics of TRIAC. So from the diagram, we can come to a conclusion that the first quadrant displays the operation of one ACR and the third quadrant displays the operation of another ACR. So two ACRs are connected back to back and the characteristics is shown as such. The operation of the TRIAC can be explained in four modes. The first mode is MT2 is positive and IG is positive. So when MT2 is positive, the junction P1N1, P2N2 are forward biased and N1P2 is reverse biased. And this reverse biased junction is breakdown by applying gate. So the positive gate is applied and the gate current flows through P2N2, and due to sufficient injected charges, this this reverse biased N1P2 is broken down and TRIAC will start conducting. So it conducts from P1N1, P2N2. The second mode of operation is when MT2 is positive and IG is negative. When IG is negative, when gate current is negative, this reverse biased N1P2 breaks, whereas P1N1, P2N3 are forward biased. P2N2 is also forward biased. But initially, the TRIAC conducts through P1N1, P2N3. And during this state, the potential of P2 rises with respect to P2N2. So P2N3 potential will rise with respect to P2N2 and the final conduction takes place through P1N1, P2N2. And the third mode is when MT2 is negative and IG is positive. So during this mode, the junction P2N1 and P1N4 are forward biased, whereas N1P1 is reverse biased. The positive gate is applied and N2 injects electrons to P2, and finally the reverse biased N1P1 breaks down, and finally it conducts through P2N1, P1N4. The last mode of operation is when MT2 is negative and IG is also negative. So during this mode also, the P1N4 is forward biased, P2N1 is also forward biased, whereas N1P1 is reverse biased. When the gate is applied, the gate current flows from P2 to N3 and the reverse biased N1P1 breaks down. And finally, the TRIAC conducts through P2N1, P1N4.